What's up, you guys? Today in this video we're gonna be with Oscar the Truck Guy. Where are we headed to, Oscar the Truck Guy?
We're going to Phoenix.
We're going to Phoenix, Arizona. There was a truck that came up for sale and at a cheap price, so we're gonna go pick it up. So make sure to watch until the end and see what type of truck it is. Let us know in the comments what you guys think of the truck. Alright guys, we just got here to Phoenix. We're here in the neighborhood where we're gonna pick up the truck. We're here still with Oscar the Truck Guy.
We're just looking for a truck now.
Do you see anywhere?
I don't. Maybe he has in his garage or something.
This neighborhood is pretty nice.
Think he's gonna leave it outside too though?
I think it's pretty nice.
That guy waved at me, so I'm kinda scared now. Hope that wasn't him. No, we still got some time to go.
This neighborhood is pretty nice though.
Yeah, like they even wave at you.
I know. Look at that. 392. Yeah, he probably has it in the garage. Alright guys, we're test driving the new truck. Here with Oscar the Truck Guy. How's it running, bro?
Bro, this thing is running smoothly, like wow. This guy definitely took care of this truck for sure.
Nah, this was a steal also in the price. It was a steal, dude. Yeah.
He said he drove it all the way from California. Got great gas.
Hit that shit. Hit the gas.
I think we're gonna take it, my boy.
I think we are. I think so, yeah.
You sure?
I don't know. Shoot. This thing got the stereo, huh?
It's on actually.
Two gas tanks. Gauges work on this?
The mile per hour is broken.
What about the gas that you're asking?
I don't care about them working or not. I'm gonna fill up before we leave anyways. But they look like they're working. This one's working, this one's working. I think that one's just cold right now because it's cold.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're taking this. I don't give a fuck what anyone says. We're taking this.
We're taking it?
We're taking it, we're driving it. We're gonna get this interior a little bit fixed up.
And put some wheels on it.
Put some wheels and hell yeah, dude. Put a mirror on it. Hope I don't get pulled over for that. All the AC stuff right here. Like this is like the first truck that I've seen that has like the AC.
Oh yeah.
The AC lines. This one is the first. What's it called? The 87 is the first year that they introduced throttle body injection in the square body. It's the first and only year. So like this is why it's got a bunch of like cablerero, a bunch of like wires and stuff and like all this stuff. But this should make it like more fuel efficient. It makes it run better, and it's got the 700 R4, which is an overdrive transmission, which is great. Like that's gonna like be amazing on the way home. Like we're gonna be on the freeway, it's gonna just be cruising along. It's not even gonna be like wasting a lot of gas or anything. It's got the jack right there. Like
I saw that, dude.
Like this thing is like stock. This is as stock as it can get. Like beautiful truck.
Clean, dude.
How much do you guys think I can get for it? I'm thinking like 25 to pay.
Comment down below.
Oh.
No, I think it's clean, dude. Y lo más bueno que lo agarramos a precio casi regalado. He said it was like full tank almost.
The other one.
Oh. It's yours.
150 bucks.
We got a 3-hour drive back home, bro. How do you feel about it?
3-hour drive home is gonna be long.
Alright guys, we just picked up the truck. We did a little inspection. We're here at the gas station. We're about to head back home. I'm gonna be following Oscar the truck guy right there. So yeah, let's do this 3-hour trip. Alright guys, we just got home right now. We're pulling in the new truck right there. This truck run, bro.
It ran great, dude. Probably the best running truck I've ever had.
It didn't overheat or anything?
Nope. I think that 87, that engine that they made in 87 is just perfect for these trucks.
So you were flying, bro.
Oh, yeah.
You were passing all sorts of cars.
I didn't know I could go so fast. Proud of myself.
We got the 77 right there. Just got lowered. We're gonna do interior next, so make sure to stay tuned for that.